Beneath our feet, a hidden world thrives, one essential for our garden's health. Earthworms are the chief architects, tunneling and aerating the soil. They transform decaying matter into nutrient-rich castings, nature's perfect fertilizer. Gardens rich in earthworms hold moisture and provide steady nutrients for robust growth. Welcome earthworms, and your garden will flourish. To attract earthworms, offer moisture and food, soaked cardboard and kitchen scraps. Cardboard gives carbon, veggie peels and coffee grounds add nitrogen. Avoid meat, dairy, oily foods and too much citrus. These harm worms. Soak cardboard until soft. Chop scraps small for quick breakdown. Layer them in your garden bed. Your underground banquet is ready. With your banquet ready, it's time to set the table in your garden. Choose a spot away from established plant roots, ideal for future planting or resting beds. Dig a trench about 30 centimetres deep and wide enough for your materials. Lay a thick layer of soaked cardboard at the bottom. This holds moisture and draws worms in. Spread your chopped kitchen scraps evenly over the cardboard. Add another layer of soaked cardboard on top to seal in moisture and prevent odours. Gently backfill the trench with soil, patting it down lightly. Don't compact it. Water the area well to keep everything moist. This carbon and nitrogen sandwich is a worm magnet. The buried feast will soon become a hub of underground activity. You've created the perfect environment for worms to move in and multiply. No need for fancy equipment, just simple natural materials. Your garden's transformation starts here, one trench at a time. Now, let's see what happens beneath the surface. Once buried, the transformation begins. Quietly, powerfully. Moisture from the cardboard spreads, drawing worms from all around. Bacteria and fungi start breaking down the scraps, releasing signals that attract even more worms. The first worms arrive, feasting and tunneling, and soon begin to reproduce. In these perfect conditions, a handful of worms can become hundreds in months. Unlike a compost bin, this in-ground system lets worms do all the work right where you need it. As they move, they spread nutrient-rich castings throughout the soil, improving structure and fertility. The only real maintenance: keep the area moist, like a wrung-out sponge. If the soil dries out, worms will leave or die, so check regularly and water as needed. This simple care keeps your underground ecosystem thriving. The result? Kitchen waste turns into black gold right beneath your feet. Let's look at how this process shapes your garden's future. In 3 to 6 months, your buried banquet will be gone, replaced by rich, living soil. Dig gently and you'll find no scraps, just crumbly, worm-filled earth. Plant directly into this fertile ground. Your plants will thrive. Repeat the process in new spots each season for ongoing soil improvement. Many gardeners rotate trenches, enriching a different section each year. Over time, your entire garden becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem. Remember, avoid meat, dairy, oily foods, diseased plants and large woody branches. Stick to soft, easily decomposed materials for best results. Be patient. Nature works quietly, but the results are lasting. Resist the urge to dig up the process too soon. Trust your underground partners. Year after year, this simple act builds healthier soil, better water retention, and stronger plants. Your need for store-bought fertilizers will shrink as your garden becomes self-sufficient. Earthworms will keep working, aerating and fertilizing your soil naturally. Gardening gets easier, plants get stronger, and your garden becomes a haven for life. All thanks to the humble earthworm, nature's master gardener.